Hello, Namaste, a warm welcome from Jikisha. Today let's paint this. It looks somewhat like batik, or you may call it as mortal background. I don't know. I'm not sure actually. I haven't seen this anywhere before. It's an experimental painting, and for the time being, let's call it as Jiggy's art. Jiggy, short for Jikisha. Alright, let's start right away. Grab a canvas, board, and remove its plastic cover. That's my tool jar, and yes, I have found my cutter. And let's cut these sides of the plastic cover neatly with a cutter. But I'm going to cut only 3 sides. Well, this painting is going to be a little mess towards the end, so better cover your desktop with a plastic sheet or an old cloth. There you go, I have cut only 3 sides of the plastic cover. Flip it and put some weight on it. I've kept the scissor for the time being. Keep this label handy. Quickly spray some water on the canvas. Here I've used a Collins spray bottle for the same. And dab the excess water, if any, with a cloth. Now let's pour some white glue on the canvas. Try to cover each and every portion of the canvas with glue. Now I'm folding the canvas paper label, just 2-3 folds. You may also use a business card or a piece of cardboard for the same. Now let's spread the glue evenly throughout the canvas. Aha! Coloring time! Pour out some ink on the canvas randomly. I have used red and green colors here. These are waterproof drawing inks. These are of thin consistency and they will flow freely and spread easily. But before these inks are spread out of the canvas, let's flip the plastic cover on the canvas board. And ooh la la! Beautiful results! You know, the best part of this activity is that you can see the results, the colors blend with each other through this transparent plastic cover. Fabulous. Now it's up to you whether you want to spread them more or leave them with the pattern they have formed. I have chosen to spread these inks a little more and yes, the result is in front of you. Take off the plastic cover and let the inks dry. Now you may paint on it or leave it as it is. It's absolutely fine. I enjoyed making. Hope you enjoyed watching. It's a bye-bye from Jigisha. See you soon in the next video.